In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Google Meet video directly from chat. This is a quick and convenient way to transition from chatting to a video call, especially when you need face-to-face interaction to discuss something important. Let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll want to make your way over to Google Meet, the cornerstone of Google's video conferencing platform. If you're not familiar with how to locate it, you can simply enter Google Meet in your search engine, or if you're like many and use Google frequently, find it through your Google Apps. Speaking of Google Apps, here's a nifty trick. Click on the waffle icon, which is this grid of 9 dots, usually in the upper right hand corner of your Google homepage. This icon is your gateway to all Google applications, putting an incredible suite of tools right at your fingertips, including Gmail, Google Drive, and of course Google Meet. You'll find it there. So go ahead and give that waffle icon a click. Now moving right along, once you've clicked on the waffle icon, look for Gmail in the list. It's one of Google's flagship applications, and if you're an active user, it's likely where a lot of your communication takes place. Click on Gmail and it will direct you to your inbox. Now that we're in Gmail, let's focus on the left-hand sidebar where you'll find the chat option. Yes, this is where your ongoing conversations, both personal and professional, reside. Click on chat to enter this section. This is where you can see all your active chats and choose the one you wish to start a video call with. Once you're in chat, it's time to select a conversation you'd like to elevate from just words to a face-to-face virtual meeting. When you've picked your chat, it's time to share the Google Meet link. This link enables your chat participant to join the video call instantly. Simply click on the link sharing option within the chat. Google has made this process quite seamless, ensuring you don't have to fumble around looking for video call links manually. By following these steps, you can easily transition from chatting in Gmail to face-to-face video communication using Google Meet. This method is not only time efficient, but also integrates seamlessly into your workflow, eliminating the need for complicated software or additional steps. So next time you find yourself needing to have a more direct conversation, you now know exactly how to initiate a Google Meet call right from your chat interface. Thanks for watching and happy video calling.